Hello friends, welcome back again to the next video of this exercise 4.2 4.3. Okay, this linear equation class 9. Now question number 4, let us see what is given here. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. They have given the instruction here. For the first kilometer the fare is 8 rupees. When you travel 1 kilometer, then you have to pay how much there? For the first kilometer you have to pay 8 rupees. Okay, you have to pay for the first kilometer 8 rupees, and for the subsequent, the remaining distance, we have to pay per kilometer 5 rupees. Clear? For the first kilometer we have to pay 8 rupees, and the remaining kilometers we have to pay 5 rupees per kilometer, taking the distance covered x kilometer. So they are asking to take the total distance be here x and total fare be y, then asking to find the linear equation and to draw the graph also. Okay, so let us consider here the total distance be x kilometer and the total fare be y. Okay, now according to question, fare of first kilometer plus fare of the remaining distance, that means subsequent distance, equal, it will be total fare, yes or no? So when we add all these distances with the rupees, we will get a total fare. Clear? So for the first kilometer, according to the instruction given, we have to pay here rupees 8 plus. Okay, subsequent means what? For this is for first kilometer, then how much remains here? Total kilometers there, it was x. From there already first kilometer is subtracted, because already we have paid here. Clear? So minus 1, because already we have paid for the first kilometer, so we have to minus, then into. So for this remaining kilometers we have to pay per kilometer how much? 5 rupees. So that when we add all these rupees, you will get total fare. How much given total fare here? Y. So got the equation, you can see here. So this is the total distance, how much given? X kilometer. From here, for this first kilometer we are paying here rupees 8. So how much remains here? Of course x minus 1. Clear? And for this remaining kilometers we have to pay 5 rupees. So when we add, you'll get here total payment. Clear? So let's do a calculation now. So 8 plus 5 into x, 5x minus 5 ones are minus 5 equal y. So from here we'll get 5x plus 3 equal y. Already got the equation from here, right? Already we have expressed here y in terms of x. You can write like this also, y equal 5x plus 3. So from here you can see here this table, just you have to find out the values for that points, because we have to plot to get the graph. Yes, so you can take here when x is 0, y means x is 0, so this is 0, so this is 0. What will get from here? 5 0 0, that means remains here 3. Now you take x means 1, x means 1, so what will get? 5 1s are 5 plus 3, that means 8. Now you take x means 2, x means what? X means now 2 plus 3, 5 to the 10, 10 plus 2 is 10 plus 3 is how much? 13. Now all these points you plot in the graph, then you will get the required graph. Okay friends, we continue it. We'll go to now next question. Okay, now question number 7, Roman 2. So what is given here? If the present age of son and father are represented by x and y, they are asking here to take the present age of son is what? X, and father is y. After 10 years father will be twice as old as his son. So write a linear equation and the graph also. So let the present age of son is what? X, and the father is what? Y. Now after 10 years age will be how much for son? See, now it is x, at present x. After 10 years means what? After 10 years we have to 8 plus 10, that means son age will be what? X plus 10 years, and after 10 years father's age will be what? Y plus 10 years. Correct? You got it? This is our after 10 years. Clear? Now according to the question they have given here, so what is given? Father's age is double the son age. Correct? Yes, after 10 years what is there? So 10 years father's age is y plus 10. Let's say 2 into after 10 years son's age will be what? X plus 10. You have to give a bracket. Okay, now y plus 10, let's say 2x plus 2 10s are 20. So here y equal twice x plus 20 minus 10. I have taken this 10 that side, so what will get here? Y equal twice x then plus 10. Clear? So this is our equation. Clear? So from this equation you got the equation, even you can bring it left side also. Clear? So from here easily you can make the box. Yes or no? You can make easily the box. From the box you can find out the values of x and y, then you have to plot the graph also. Clear? Easily you can do it. Clear? So you continue it. Okay, now question number Roman 4, that question number 7 only, Roman 4. See the question: if the numerator of a fraction is increased by our 7, okay, and decreased by 1, then the fraction becomes 3 by 2. Taking the numerator x and the denominator as y, we have to form a linear equation and the graph also. Clear? So let the fraction be x by y, as they have given the numerator x and the denominator is y, right? So according to question they have given here, write the fraction here first, x by y. Okay, so they're asking here if the numerator of a fraction is increased, means plus, increasing here by 7, and the denominator is decreased, minus, by 1, then the fraction, this fraction becomes 3 by 2. Then they're asking to find out the equation. Okay, do the cross multiplication now here. So 2 into x, this 2 will come this side, this, by this 2 everything will multiply here. That means 2 into x, twice x, plus 2 7 ja 14, that side 3 into y, 3y, minus 3 1 ja 3. So what will get from here? Twice x, then you can bring this side 3y, then that side remains minus 3, and the minus 14 goes that side, so that twice x minus 3y equal minus 17. So after that twice x equal minus 17 plus 3y, then x equal, this 2 will go down, minus 17 plus 3 into y. So after that we have to find out again the box. Clear? So it is x, it is y. Now you see, as it is odd number, yes or no, and we have to divide by here also 2. Clear? Of course, to divide we should get here even number, then only it will be divisible, yes or no. So that we have to get here also odd number. That means we have to take always here, to get even number we have to multiply here the value of y as we have to take odd. So when you multiply this 3y as odd, so that you will get also here even. Clear? So like you can take here, let this y be here 1. Okay, so when y is 1, what will get here? 1. That means 3 or y is 1. Okay, y is 1, not x, y is 1. So that 3 1 ja 3. So it's minus 17 plus 3, that means minus 14. Minus 14 will get here minus 14 by 2 is there, that means we got here minus 7. So it's minus 7. Again you take you can take here now y be 3. You need to take here odd numbers, no? So you take now 3. So 3 is a 9. So minus 17, then here 9 by 2. So we'll get here minus 17 plus 9, and we get here minus 8 by 2. That means we get here minus 4, right? So again we can take here 5 now. Done. So 3 5 is 15. So say minus 17 plus 15 means minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 means it's minus 1. After that you plot these points, and you will get the required graph. Okay, we continue this question also. So like this you can solve this exercise 4.3. okay. Okay, now exercise 4.1. This is our last exercise from this linear equation. Done. So now you see question number 1, how it is given. Give the geometric representation of y equal 3 as an equation in one variable and in two variable, as we have learned how to express in one variable and how to express in two variables also, right? So first one is y equal 3 they have given. So for in one variable is very easy, you can put the value directly on the number line, okay, as we have done before. Okay, now this is the line, this number line, and the number line you will get in middle 0, then right side positive integers and the left side negative integers. Now y equal 3, so positive values, that means right side from 0, so 3, right? So this is our answer, that is y equal 3. This is our in one variable expressions. You can do it easily like that. Okay, then you can do one question from here. You do it x equal minus 5, okay, for one variable also and for two variables also. Now we'll do Roman 2. In Roman 2, that means in two variables. I will express it here now. See, since y is here 3, that means x is not here. to express it, how to express now? I will write here x plus y equal 3, but you can see here x was not here before, so to cancel is we have to multiply by 0. You can see now I have expressed it as two variables. Clear? Since here if it was not there x, I have written here to bring in the two variable form, right? So that to cancel this x we have to multiply by 0. That's why it will become invalid now, right? Now you can see when we can take any value for x now, but y will be always fixed. Now you can take the value of x be 0. X is what? 0. X is 0 now, so 0 0 is a 0, that means remains. Y means what? 3. Again you take x means what? 1. X means 1, so 1 0 is a 0. Y means again 3. You take again 1. X means now you take 2. 2 0 is a 0, that means y means again 3. You see, like this question is very easy to solve. Okay, always the given value will be similar, but when you take the x, it really can take any, you can select any values. Okay, you put here I have taken any values because it's multiplying with 0, right? So after that, like 4.3, we have to draw the graph and we have to plot the points, so we'll get one straight line. Clear? So you do it. Okay, now question number 2, given it is almost similar. Twice x plus 9 equals 0. First we have to do it from here. Twice x equal minus 9. After that x equal minus 9 by 2. So already have learned how to plot this on the number line or the graph. Okay, you continue. And again this is for one variable, it's very easy. And Roman 2, how to do two variables, how to write x plus 0 into y equal minus 9 by 2. This is for our two variables. You can take any value for y, but x will remain always minus 9 by 2. Then you plot the points. Then in this exercise the summary part is given. Okay, at last the summary part is very important, so you go through that and you learn the summary part nicely. It's very important. Okay friends, so friends, with this I conclude to this exercise, so you practice it. If you will have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, thank you friends.